kids! So, a month ago, I took a look at Haiku, an open source revival of BOS on this laptop. Well, here's another open source version of a closed source piece of software, ReactOS. It's basically Windows made open source and with no Microsoft BS. So let's install, shall we? I already have the CD in the drive, so let's fire this sucker up. And yes, the intro was all scripted on this. Just in case you couldn't tell. And yes, that is a new direction I'm taking with my videos. The intros are entirely scripted now, so yeah. So let's just boot this up. Nice blinking cursor there. Okay, here we go. English. Welcome to ReactOS setup. Okay. And yes, this is compatible with this machine from 2009. ReactOS is in alpha stage, so yeah, it isn't quite stable, even though it's been in the alpha stage for like 20 years now. Jesus Christ. It's not feature complete. Hence why it's so, I guess unstable. So, yeah. Accept these device settings. Virtual space. So for some reason, you can only do FAT. You can't do NTFS, but I guess because this is in the alpha. But what I don't understand, it's been in the alpha stage for like 20 years now. Shouldn't it have just, done, NTFS by now? Right? Oh, whatever. Let's just do FAT. I don't know, you have to do that. Okay, please select more setup option, install the bootloader. I don't know, just call it ReactOS, I guess. Oh yes, look at that. We got some nice other progress bars down there. Kernel pool, kernel cache, and free memory. Free memory, 93%, 92%. Kernel cache is at 2%, and our kernel pool is at 0. Okay. Welcome to the ReactOS setup wizard. Okay. Yep. ReactOS workstation. Very Windows 2000. Heavy Windows 2000 vibes from this. I'd call this, I don't know, ReactOS. Okay, so I guess it thinks it's December 2nd, 2020. I guess that's the date on this computer, but it's not. Well, whatever, we'll leave it. Sure, we'll be in 2020, because, sure, I want to suffer. Okay, appearance. Now, here's my little nitpick about ReactOS. There is no, really, cool looking theme, so I would say. So there's this theme, right? Whatever. So Mizu, there's Classic, kind of Windows 2000. Lotus, that actually looks kind of cool. Lunar, but I want Lunar, that's cool, but I want the real things, like Luna and Luna, Plex, Arrow. Maybe not Arrow, but still, I really want those themes, just to come to, these things. It'll help me, even, Metro would work. Please, guys, you gotta listen to me. Oh, nice graphical glitch, anyway. Lotus. You want Lunar, sure. Typical settings, yes. Nope. Just go with the work group. Including the ReactOS setup wizard. If there's a CD in the drive, remove it. Well, I just did. Yay! User interface failure. Wow. How stable. Well, this is an alpha version after all. Fine, if you don't want to load msvagina.dll, don't. We can just... You just use the command prompt. Hopefully. It works. Really? God. Okay. I've searched online. I searched online for, whatever I could find. And I cannot find a single person talking about this. With this fucking thing. Yeah, I thought ReactOS was, buggy as is. Because, it's in the alpha stage. But it's even worse than that. I can't even fucking use it. Because, I don't know, whatever. There is actually a live CD we could try and use. So, yeah, we could try and actually use that. So, 1 second. Okay, well, I can't really get the live CD to work because stupid fucking Windows 8.1 won't recognize it. And yes, I'm using a very out-of-date version of Windows because I don't want Microsoft spying on me. Fucking hate Microsoft so much. Anyways, yeah, looks like ReactOS is just not getting my seal of approval. Not until it gets this shit fixed. So, yeah. Well, I guess that's our video for today. Maybe I'll follow it up with a part 2. Maybe I'll install it on another system, and maybe it'll work. Who knows? So, yeah, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.